हेलो गाइस, वेलकम है आप सभी का हमारे नए ब्लॉग में। तो आज हम आ गए फिर से नए एक्साइटिंग ब्लॉग के साथ। तो आज वाला ब्लॉग है बेबी शावर मदरहुड हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से। तो आगे आगे दिखाएंगे होता है क्या। अभी हो गए तैयार, अभी निकलेंगे। हाय करो भाई। फ्लाइंग किसी के फ्लाइंग किसी फाइनली आ गए हमारी डेस्टिनेशन हॉस्पिटल मदरहुड। तो ये है टाउन रेस्टोरेंट। बेबी शावर फंक्शन मदरहुड हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से ये वाले रेस्टोरेंट में है।
अबरीन और सफिया जा रहे टाउन।
नो
बेबी बेबी सी है।
अब करो मम्मा को फ्लाइंग किसी। ये फ्लाइंग किसी का नाम।
सफिया सफिया बेबी के हाँ इधर ही बैठो। सफू सफिया कंफ्यूज हो रही है।
हाँ मम्मा। दीदी दीदी तो ये रहा फोटोग्राफर और ये रहा फैमिली फोटोज, कपल फोटोज एंड फैमिली फोटोज।
Motherhood is the most beautiful chapter in a woman's life. It is a journey where love begins even before the baby arrives. A mother not only nurtures a new life with it, but also discovers her own strength.
Morning till evening. So we usually divide it for you to count during meal times. Post meal, about 4 to 5 moments. 4 to 5 moments in the morning after breakfast, in the noon after lunch, and the night after dinner is very, very important. At any point of time, if you're not happy with the movements, if these
Thank you,
within
Bole.
4 to 5 moments after each meal is not okay, but if this tightening cramping is happening at regular intervals, it's happening every half an hour once, as time progresses every 20 minutes once, every 10 minutes once. If this is what you're experiencing, you could be getting into labor, so you'll need to come into the hospital. Another thing, with an epidural, there's going to be long-term packing, both of which are completely false. If it is a safe procedure, like I said, keep an open mind.
Yeah, we'll give you biscuits. Tell me what you should do. Just have it in your hand. I'll tell you what to. Obviously, you have to eat it, but how? Tell me, no? Somebody from the crowd without kicking your hand. That's the game. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, start.
सफू कहाँ गए थे सफिया? सफिया इज बिजी वॉचिंग फोन। ये मम्मा 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 आए ये कहाँ है मम्मा मम्मा कहाँ है मम्मा थैंक यू बोलो, से थैंक यू बोलो आंटी को।
You want to try one more? Come on, you can do it. Slowly. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on. You can do it. You want to try one? You can try. You want to try one? You can try.
मम्मा बस जाना है, मम्मा गेम।
Slowly. Come on. It's okay, try. Slow. She's trying one. You can try. Come on, you can do it, try. Yeah, there you go. One more. So please come now. Good. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Now the game is bursting the balloons. Okay, so you have to blow the balloon, keep it under, and then burst it without keeping your hands. Sir, please. Sir, it is easy. What of giving 5 balloons, but seeing you all, I felt very sad. So 3 I'll give you. 1, not possible. Bursting the balloon with 1. Come on, sir. Whoever finishes the first is the winner. Sir, take your hand. Hey. He's the winner. Sir, you were about to run, no? You didn't want to play the game and you are the winner. How is it possible? Come on, you can finish it, it's okay. So, suggested to consume iron tablet and folic acid for first 3 months, and iron tablet throughout the pregnancy, and even calcium tablet throughout the pregnancy, even during the breastfeeding time. It is very, very important because most of the women will neglect their personal health. These calcium tablets and iron tablets, most of the people will neglect and they won't consume. What happens? What happens? No, baby never compromise of their health. So babies will suck all this calcium, all vitamin C or blood or whatever it is from the mother. Even from your bones also baby will suck. So baby is not going to compromise. So itching will be there. You can't control. Many women can't control. Then baby scratch. So when you have that abdomen is growing, your uterus is growing, itching is very fine, very common. Just apply some moisturizers or coconut oil, very common remedies. Okay, no need to apply so much costly cosmetics and all, which is not helpful. For basic your back, spinal cord, then later you will land up with so much of back pain and all. Okay, which is not good for your back and your future health also it is not good. So we always suggested to go for flats, which so many pregnant women complaints having white discharge, which is very, very common, which we call it as hypochondria. It is very common. If you have already doctor told if you have any bleeding, which is very, very important, immediately you have to rush to the hospital. But if you have white discharge, no need to rush to the hospital. Whenever you come to the doctor, tell about your cancer. That is very common. If you have heavy white discharge with the foul smell, very bad smell is coming from the
a wide distance, then there is a kind of infection might be, that time you need to check with your doctor. Okay. Next.
बिस्किट भी होना,
Then I
सब
just
होना.
wanted to talk about one thing. This is so any woman, pregnant woman may go for normal vaginal delivery. Also sometimes LSDS also may happen. So we can't assure what is going to happen. So but this is a scrub. Okay. Purchase this from the, this is 4% chlorhexidine. Purchase this from the pharmacy. It's already available, and our doctors also will suggest or prescribe this one. This is very helpful. This is of 100 ml bottle. 50 ml you have to do in the night. You have to just take the liquid as how we take our wash, body wash. Just make body wet and apply on the body. Very nice and wash with
खाओ मम्मा,
normal water. That hot water also okay. There is no restrictions. But only thing is that 50 ml one wash and another wash after coming to the hospital. For example, delivery is today morning 9 o'clock. Most of the patients will come and admit 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock. That is what happening. So night wash, you just take one bath nicely with 50 ml, and next day after coming to the hospital, sisters will tell you bring this bottle to the hospital, and another wash before going to the surgery you have to take in the hospital, and you should go for the surgery. So if it is a normal delivery, it is not required, but all of a sudden what happens, sometimes normal delivery immediately we may shift the patient to the LSAs. So better if you take 2 baths, it can prevent many infections, especially surgical site infection. So after surgery, we make one incision right over the abdomen, which where there is a chances of surgical site infections. Sometimes superficial, sometimes deep infections also may happen because of not taking proper bath or not aseptic techniques. So I request, if it is a planned LSAS, please try to purchase this from the pharmacy. This is Lysa wash. You can just tell Lysa wash, they will give you. Okay. Thank you so much for the wonderful opportunity, and all the very best to all the pregnant ladies. Any doubts or any questions or queries, please. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Any doubts? No doubts? No doubts? Okay. So now we have Mithila, a physiotherapist.
Hi everybody, good afternoon. I am Mithila, physiotherapist, Motherhood Kothanoor, okay? We'll start. Physiotherapy, importance of physiotherapy in pregnancy, labor and postpartum, okay? According to you, why physiotherapy is important? If I tell physiotherapy, you all will think massage, yes? Yes, only word that you know, physiotherapy is massage. There's something beyond that, yeah? Physiotherapy is something beyond that, and especially in pregnancy, it's very helpful, okay? You have to stay active in your pregnancy, and it gives immense help in your pregnancy, labor and postpartum. Yes, we'll start. As I asked, what comes to your mind when I tell physiotherapy? Massage. Or any shoulder pain, for that physiotherapy. Neck pain, physiotherapy. But pregnancy, no physiotherapy. No, we should take rest. Nothing like that. You have to stay active, do mild to moderate exercise and keep yourself fit. Yes? Okay? So physiotherapy is an easiest way to keep yourself active and healthy in pregnancy. It promotes both your physical and emotional well-being. So not only promotes your physical strength, even it boosts your mind and energy. Yes? Why is it important? It helps to manage your back pain, pelvic pain, improves your posture. It teaches you to trust your body in labor. Yes? Trust your instinct in labor. It includes breathing, relaxation, preparation or Lama sessions. Please come and attend those sessions. It's a group session. It helps you a lot. You'll meet new mothers. Their doubts, their thing will improve. You'll get to know how to be, yeah, what are the exercises, how to cook, and labor preparation class will happen with the partner. Come and attend. You will understand
Go
what
play,
is
no?
labor, stages of
Go
labor,
play with them.
how will you cope it, what are the massages in labor, positions in labor. Yeah, for you is much needed during pregnancy. Yes, please come and attend. Yeah, and in your mobile, this is like write a vision board on how you want your pregnancy or labor to go. So when you keep seeing it, you will be motivated. Don't look on to negative things. Put 4 to 5 positive words. Keep repeating it so you gain positivity in your pregnancy. Yes? Will you all do it today? Thank you. Thank you all.
So all the names are mentioned, and we will tell, the kids will pick a concept and we will tell who gets what. Okay? All the best. Pick one and you tell. Asta. Oh, have your seat. Okay. Next. Yeah, your mother's name is. Oh. It's Vijay Lakshmi. Yeah. First is Asta, second is Vijay Lakshmi. Easy, just one more. So you picked opposite mothers. Open faster. Aishwarya K.
जानू जानू सफू क्या हुआ बेटी?
Okay, this will be the last end of the program. Okay, so there is rituals that we do. So this just ask you to, if people ask one, it's still fine. You can just click some pictures. And we have last cake cutting, a group picture, and we have lunch arranged. You can have.
Slowly.
Okay, is that fine?
सफिया दियो बेबी को. सफिया वो बच्चा पाम कार दिया उसकी. जी उन्हें बॉय के साथ खेलना नहीं था रही, गर्ल्स ही छोना उसे, देखो उनके साथ ही खेल रही है. ये क्या मम्मा क्या हो गया? થરનું खेलो उनके साथ क्या हो गया क्या हो गया क्या हो गया सफिया गिरती गो गिवर ना ले ले सफिया ले लो ये देखो दीदी दिए ना फिर से थैंक यू बोलो ओह देखो कितना गुस्सा है इसमें ये लो फिर लो अयो हाँ देखो जी वो बच्ची देते रहे तो यहाँ देखो यहाँ ऐसा नहीं करना आंटी मारती खराब है बाप रे इतना गुस्सा सफिया सफिया
ठीक है और ये रहा मदरवुड कोतनूरला. Love having food. जल्दी खा रही सफू से हाय. ये कप का भी शरारती, घर में भी शरारती, बाहर भी शरारती. वो नहीं खुलता बेबी, कांच का ग्लास, वो कांच का ग्लास, वो खोलो खोलो तो कहाँ से खुलता है.
वहाँ बलून खड़े नहीं, वहाँ वो चाहिए.
सफू क्या चाहिए, कहाँ है बलून. ये सफिया की नज़र यहाँ से मदर उठ के ओ
Here only you'll get the photos on. You can click.
Ma'am, please join for the cake cutting.
शयान
Please allow the cameraman also to take the pictures. We'll share you the picture. We'll share you the pictures.
सफू क्या कर रही है सफिया सफी सी इट सफी सफू 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 जो जो तुम्हें जो सफिया क्या ले रही? सफू क्या ले रही? सफिया क्या लिख रही तुम्हें? सफू जो ये आ गई माया बेटे। बेबी चप्पल पहन रही है।
बेबी बॉय
ये गंदा बेबी, नॉटी बेबी है।
बेबी कितना अच्छा मम्मा के पास बैठे। ये बेबी देख कितना छोटा। तू बेबी सता ले, चल चल जाएंगे चल।
तो वो इतना बोल रही है। सफिया लिफ्ट में आ गई। सफिया
जी शरारती सफिया, पूरे जन्यान की अंख्या में बैठ गई तू बिल्ली से। एक तो सता दली सब
सता को बंदा ले।
बाप रे।